Euthanizing a bear after finding it scavenging on human remains in the Great Smoky Mountains National Park. Backpackers making the discovery yesterday afternoon near Hazel Creek Trail and Backcountry Campsite 82. WATE 6 on Your Side reporter Jordan Brown spending the day in the Smokies today, learning more about what happened.
A camping trip turning into a gruesome discovery. Two backpackers arrived to their campsite in the Great Smoky Mountains National Park Friday afternoon to find an unoccupied tent.
They began to look around the site to see where the occupants were, and that was when they discovered what appeared to be a deceased human on the other side of Hazel Creek, and there was a bear actively scavenging on his remains.
The campers called the dispatch office, rangers arriving at the scene confirming what the campers saw. This discovery forcing park rangers to have to make a difficult decision.
The decision to euthanize a bear is never made lightly. Our bears are iconic figures of the Smokies, but unfortunately there are some dangers associated with bears. We do have a history, although very rare, of bears not only stalking visitors, but attacking, even killing, and scavenging on remains of people. Anytime we see a bear exhibit that behavior, there is potential for that bear to continue that behavior in the future.
Park officials applauding the actions of those campers.
For calling us first, that is absolutely, you always want to report any type of incident. If a bear is actively stalking you off the trail as you're hiking, we want to know about it because that is a dangerous situation.
This situation serving as an example of what you should do if you see something like this while out in the park. From the Great Smoky Mountains National Park, Jordan Brown, WATE 6 on Your Side.
All right, Jordan, thank you. Rangers say they are working to notify next of kin, and as of right now, the cause of death is unknown. The case is under active investigation.